Today, we will talk about Google Sheets. Google Sheets is similar to Excel, but on Google, and among its features. You can work on it for free. And it is stored online, not on the computer. You can work on it from anywhere. To use it, just create a free account on Google and connect to the internet. Several users can work on the same file. It is easy to use and very similar to Excel. It is multilingual to suit each user's language. To start working on Google Sheets, open a new page in the browser. Click on these dots. Then click on Sheets. Google Sheets will open as shown. There are ready-made templates you can choose from and work on. Or choose blank to create a new file. Or open an existing file, and by clicking on blank like this, a new file similar to Excel will open. You can also create a new file in another way. Type the address sheet.new, then press enter. A new Google Sheets file will also be created. To open an existing file, click on File, then Open. By clicking Recent, you can open the latest files you've worked on. By clicking Upload, then choosing an Excel file from the device. For example, choose this file, then click Open. The Excel file will open in the browser. Click on Open With, then Google Sheets. The file will open with Google Sheets. We can work on it like Excel files. To add another sheet, click Add Sheet. Another sheet will be created named Sheet 2. By clicking here to choose a sheet, for example, we choose Sheet 1, and by clicking here to choose the file direction, like right to left or the opposite. Since the file is written in Arabic, it has been opened from right to left. If clicked, the direction will change from left to right. If clicked again, it will return from right to left. Here we notice it says, Save to Drive. Clicking here, we find that all changes are saved to Google Drive. To save changes on the computer, click on Turn On. But saving online is considered better. By clicking Move to save it to a folder or create a new folder. For example, by clicking New Folder and typing its name. For example, we write Training Courses and click Agree. Then click Move here. A new folder will be created, and the file will be saved in it. To view it, click on the dots, then Sheets. Then click Open, then My Drive. You will find the newly created folder with the file inside. Go back to the Google Sheets file. To save the file to Favorites, click on the star. If Google Sheets is opened and then click on Drive. Then click on Start, and you will find the file there. This is to save time searching for your favorite files. You can share the file with others. Click here on Share. Here is a restricted option for customizing for specific people to share the file. If you click on Copy Link, then anyone with the link. Then send this link to anyone to share the file. Click here to select permissions, the first for viewing only, and the third option for editing the file. Click here on Restricted, then choose one of the people. by searching for one of your contacts here. Then choosing the desired person to share the file with. And here, you can write a message to this person, informing him he can work on the file. And here, to choose their permission on the file. For example, here, we will choose editor then share. If this user opens Google Sheets, he will find this file and the username that sent the share. And if this person clicks on the file to open it like this, he will see at the top the users currently working on the file. For example, if Fairs stops at this row, and we go to another user, here we see Fairs name at this row, as a sign that the user Fairs is editing this row. And if you make changes, for example, here change 20 instead of 10, the user Fairs will see the value after the change and the name of the person who made the edit. By clicking here to view or add comments, click here to select all sheets or the current sheet, and write the comment here. For example, we write Cairo courses then comment. Go to the other user to see the comment. Then click on Open Comments, and you will see the written comment. The user will see the comment, and next to it is the person who wrote the comment. If a reply is written to the comment like this, and we go to the user Fairs, we will see the written reply. Thus, you can see any comments immediately online, without the need to download the file and upload it again. Here are the print options. By clicking here to change the file view size, and by clicking here to add a $sign next to the number. And here to increase or decrease decimal places. Clicking here allows for other formatting options. And here to select and change the text font. And here to change the size of numbers and text. And here for bold, italic, and strike through. And here to change the fill color of cells. Clicking here allows for cell merging. And clicking here to choose cell borders. And clicking here for horizontal and vertical alignment. And clicking here for text rotation. Clicking here to add a link to text or number. For example, choose Cairo, Wikipedia here. When going to the linked text, the link will appear. And a thumbnail image of this link will appear. And here are other options that we will talk about in later videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.